Hey everybody, it's Clint Morton here, or as I'm known in the magic world, Magnificent. And so I figured since you guys are all quarantined, stuck at home, you can't go to school, you can't really get out and do much, I thought it might be fun to perform a little magic show for you guys over the interwide web. I think that's what they call it. Anyway, the World Wide Web, there we go. Anyway, you guys can watch at home, have some fun. I'll teach you how to do some magic tricks and how to make some of your own magic tricks, so hopefully you guys can keep the magic going and continue to have fun while you're stuck at home, and you can share some of this magic with your siblings and your parents and have a good time and making some of these magic tricks and performing some magic. And so I thought I'd perform a few tricks for you and then teach you a few tricks. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and so here we go. One of my favorite tricks and favorite things to do since I'm stuck at home now is to color. So I found this awesome book, this coloring book of magic, it says. It's a pretty cool coloring book. And I thought, man, I love to color. I love magic. I gotta have this book. And so let me show you what's in this book. It's got some really cool pictures. It's got, pictures of kids going to a carnival, kids, just kids hanging out, kids, the magician, the rabbit, and the magic hat. The magic genie. It's got all sorts of magic pictures like that. Clowns performing magic, rabbits doing magic card tricks. And I thought, man, that's a really cool coloring book. I think we should color it. Do you guys want to help me color it? I'm going to have you guys at home help me color it. And here's how we color in the magic world. You ready? You reach into your clothes like this and you pull out a little color like that and you throw it into the book like this. Just like that. So you pull some color out and throw it in. Everybody at home, you ready? Reach in, grab some color and throw it into the book. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah. Woo. Almost got me in the face. Oh, I see somebody out there that's being shy. Throw some color into the book. There you go. Woo. Oh, yeah, there you go. Good job. All right, you guys ready? Should we see how you did? Let's see how you guys did. Hey, look at that. You guys got it colored good. Oh, there's some pink and some red from your shirt. I can see that. Good job. Oh, man, look at all of that. You guys did a really good job. Oh, you colored every page? You stayed in the lines? That's a really good job, guys. Good job. You got to give yourselves a round of applause. That was really good. And I'm going to show you guys another trick, and this is one you can make and perform at home. So let's have a little fun with this one. Here it is. This is a money multiplying trick. So what I have is 2 plates here and a quarter. So 2 plates and a quarter, and we're going to take one of those quarters and put it on this plate, and we're going to try to see if we can make more money appear. And all we got to do is be quick about it, and just like that, more money appears. And we're going to try to make more money appear. And look at that. We went from 1 quarter to 1, 2, 3 quarters. And so I'm going to teach you guys right now how to do this trick and how to make this trick and perform it. So we're going to make it from 1 quarter to 3 quarters, and here's all you need is 2 plates like this. You can use paper plates or any type of plate you'd like, and you need some paper and some tape. And then maybe some scissors. If you use scissors, ask your parents for help. So what we did is on the back of the plates, we taped these little envelopes. You gotta just take a piece of paper, cut out a small piece of paper that's big enough for the quarter to fit into, and then tape it down to the plate. And then you can put your quarter in there, and you can put one in the other plate, just like that. And then you put 1 quarter on the plate, on one plate, and you can toss your quarters back and forth, and it makes it look like money is appearing out of nowhere. It's a fun little trick. It's easy to make and easy to perform, so you can perform that one at home. All right, I'm going to do a card trick for you guys at home now. This is for everybody at home. So what I need you to do is go and get some playing cards like these. In fact, we need you to get 9 playing cards. I'm going to pull out 9 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9. All right, so if you need to pause the video and go get some playing cards, take time, pause the video, and run get some playing cards. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. So here's my 9 playing cards. You guys should have 9. Fan them out in your hand like this. That's what they call fanning. It looks like a big fan. So fan your cards out, and you should have 9 cards. And you turn your cards like this, and from the left side, count over. You don't have to turn your cards. I'll turn my cards so you guys can see. You just look at them. This is going to be your card, the third one over. So you count 1, 2, 3 over. So mine right here is the 4 of spades. See that? That's my card. So you guys count over 1, 2, 3 from the left, and the third one over is going to be your playing card. So then we're going to push them all together again like that. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to count from the top. We're going to spell the number of card we had. So if it's an ace, you put down A-C-E. I had a 4, so I'm going to go F-O-U-R, just like that. 4. And then you're going to take the rest of your cards. You guys count out, spell out whatever number or suit you had, or king, queen, whatever, and then put the rest on top. Now here's a little secret for you. Every card has a middle name. Did you guys know that? The middle name of every card is of. Mine was the 4 of spades. So of is the middle name. So we're going to spell out their middle name. So we go O-F. That's of. And then you take the rest of the cards and put them on top, just like that. And then what we're going to do is spell out the suit. So you either had hearts, diamonds, clubs, or spades. Mine was spades, so I'm going to spell that one out. You guys spell whatever your suit was. So I'm going to spell mine out. S-P-A-D-E-S. Spades. And you take the cards you have left and put them on top. If you had diamonds, you might not have any left. So anyway, you put whatever on top. And then we're going to spell the first name of your favorite magician. So I know all of your favorite magicians is Magnificent. So we're going to spell Clint. You guys ready? So you go C-L-I-N-T. And if you guys go to the number T and flip the card over, it should be your card. The 4 of spades, that's my card. Did you guys get your card? If you did it right, you should. If you didn't, then I might have messed up. But that's how it should work. Everybody should have got their card. I'm going to do one more trick for you, and I'm going to teach you a little craft with this one that you guys can do and have fun with at home. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to tell you a little story and use some cards here. And what we need with this one is we're going to use the lowliest of cards. The lowliest of cards, so they call it. The 2 of clubs. That's the card we're going to use for this trick. And so, here's what we're going to do, and I'm going to tell you a little story. You guys have all heard the story about the princess and the frog. So that's the story I'm going to tell you. There once was a beautiful princess, and she was looking for a suitor, somebody to get married to be a handsome prince with her and rule their kingdom. But she just couldn't find anybody that wasn't super greedy or super nice to be around. She wanted somebody that could see her for more than just a princess that had a kingdom, that was going to rule a kingdom. She wanted them to see her as a lovely young lady and a person that was awesome to be around. And none of these princes that she was dating seemed to do that. And so one day after one of these princes came to visit and went home, she got really sad and went out to her balcony, and she leaned over kind of crying a little bit because they couldn't see her for the awesome person that she was. And her crown fell off. Fell all the way down right into the pond right outside of the castle. And so she went down to get it, but she was like, I can't walk into that pond. It's muddy and it's gross. And she was thinking out loud to herself, how am I going to go get my crown out of here? When out of nowhere, a frog hopped up. It croaked and it said, I will help you out. I will dive to the bottom of that pond and I will get your crown. And she said, oh, thank you so much. How can I ever repay you? And the frog said, all you need to do is give me a kiss. Just give me one little smooch right up on the lips. And she said, that's kind of gross, but I really want my crown back, so I guess I will. And so the frog jumped into the pond, and he swam all the way to the bottom, and he got her crown back. And the frog swam back up with the crown, and he gave it to the princess, and he said, now I want my kiss. And the princess said, I don't know, that's kind of gross. I really don't want to kiss a frog. And he says, look, aren't you doing to me the same thing that all those princesses did, or all those other princes did to you? They judged you and just saw you only as a princess. Now you see me only as a frog, and you won't kiss me. And she said, Fine, you're right, I am doing that. I don't want to be that type of person. And so she saw the frog like this, and she leaned over and she gave him a big smooch right up on his froggy lips, like this. It was gross and it was slimy. But when she did it, that frog turned into, from a lowly frog or a lowly two of clubs, into a handsome prince. There you go, he's a handsome. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your own frogs. You can use cards, you can use paper. It's better with cards because these frogs actually jump and they're pretty awesome. So come have a look and I'll teach you how to make these cards. So the first step is you're gonna take your card, you're gonna take it at one corner and you're gonna bend it all the way over, kind of make it a nice even fold there. My fold's not perfect, but make it a fold about like that. And then you're gonna do that with the other corner as well. So you're gonna bend it over and make a nice fold all the way over to the other side of the card, if you can see that. And so then you've done that to both sides now. So you should have an X going through it right there that you can see. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna make a little indentation on the sides, right in the middle of that X. So you're gonna make a little indentation here, and you're gonna make a little indentation here, and you're gonna fold those in. So it folds in on top of itself like that. Does that make sense? So you're gonna fold in the sides just like that. And so then it's like that. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the front legs for our little frog. We're gonna bend these corners up and up to his nose right up here. And take this leg here and do the same thing. Up to his nose. There you go. And you can give him little feet like this if you want. Once his legs are made, you can bend little feet into there as well. All right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this side and bend it up there. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side, up to where his legs are bending. So now you've done that to your frog. And then you're going to bend your frog bottom all the way up to his legs, just like that. And then put one more little final bend in it, like that. And that's his back legs, even though they're not separated. Something like that. So, did you get all the steps down? There you go. If you did it, you should have a little frog that looks just like this. And when you put him down, you can push down here and he hops just like that. So pretty cool little origami trick to make a little frog that jumps. And so you guys can make one of those yourselves and have fun. And so, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. It has been fun to share magic with you. If you like this video, share it with your friends. All of you, I hope, have fun, enjoy magic, learn some tricks of yourself, and keep the magic going. And thank you, and have a wonderful day.